In this video, we will discuss the third law of exponent. But before tackling that subject, we first need to know the exponents. For beginners, what are exponents? Exponents are also called as power or indices. Exponents is a quantity representing the power to which a given number or expression is to be raised, usually expressed as a raised symbol beside the number or expression. Seems hard to understand, right? Exponents are the number on the top right of the base number. Since we know the location of the exponent, let's move on to the function of the exponent. The exponent of a number, or the base, says how many times the number will be multiplied to itself. For example, 4 raised to 3 is equal to 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. From the example, we could say that exponent save us from writing lots of multiples. Since we know the basics in exponents, we can now move on to the lesson, which is the third law of exponent. The third law is mainly about distributing the exponent to the numerical coefficient or the base. For example, quantity x, y squared, z cubed raised to 6. In order to get the simplest, pa-edit ka Raig, thank you. In order to get the simplest form of the expression, distribute 6 to the exponent of each term. The simplified form of the given expression is x raised to 6, y raised to 12, and z raised to 18. Now, it's your turn. Try to simplify the given expression. Did you get the same answer? Did you multiply the exponent of e to 4, the exponent of f 7 to 4, the exponent of z 9 to 4? If you did that, you would have arrived with the answer e raised to 20, f raised to 28, and g raised to 36. To simplify the given, quantity of m raised to negative 5, n raised to 7, o raised to 4, raised to the power of negative 3. First, you need to distribute negative 3 to the exponent of each variable. When you distribute negative 3 to each variable, the answer should be m raised to 15, n raised to negative 21, and o raised to negative 12. A raised to negative 1 is also equal to the reciprocal of a raised to negative 1, which is 1 over a. The simplest form of the given m raised to negative 5, n raised to 7, o raised to 4, raised to the power of negative 3 is m raised to 15 all over n raised to 21 and o raised to 12. Now, it's your turn. Try to answer the given expression. Did you arrive with the same answer? If so, your answer should be p raised to 32 all over q raised to 64 r raised to 48. Now let's do more examples. Let's try to find the simplest form of quantity s raised to negative 11, p raised to 1 over 6, u raised to 1 over 3, raised to the power of negative 6. Multiply the exponent negative 6 to the exponent of s, t, and u. If you multiply negative 6 to each variable, the answer will become s raised to 66, t raised to negative 1, and u raised to negative 2. Following the a raised to negative 1 is equal to 1 over a, the final answer is s raised to 66 over t u raised to 2. Now for the last example, try to simplify the expression quantity r raised to negative 2, c raised to 1/4, b raised to 16, and d raised to 1 over 8, with raised to the power of negative 8. Now, did you arrive with the same answer? If so, your answer should be r raised to 16 over c squared, b raised to 128, and d. If you did not get the correct answer, first, you have to distribute negative 8 to each exponent of the variable, arriving with the answer r raised to 16, c raised to negative 2, b raised to negative 128, and b raised to negative 1. Following the rule, a raised to negative 1 is equal to 1 over a. Then you will arrive with the answer again, r raised to 16 over c raised to 2 and b raised to 128.